intentions you wrote down for the next 40 days is already a possible reality. We didn't say it's reality. We didn't say it's definitely going to happen. Well, we say it's a possible reality. You can do it. Doesn't mean you're going to, but it means you can. And that's pretty heartwarming. Let's keep reading on so we understand, well, what do we do about that? What does that mean for us? It is excluded from view because you can only see the contents of your own consciousness. It is a function of an assumption to call back the excluded view and restore full vision. It is not the world, but your assumptions that change. An assumption brings the invisible into sight. It is nothing more nor less than seeing with the eye of God or your imagination. So if you're looking for a particular result and you don't see it yet, it's excluded from your view. The only reason for it is because you're assuming something else in your imagination. Let's take an example. Maybe you've had a relationship with a certain family member or a friend that seemed to always be a little rough. Like you just weren't in harmony a lot. It's like you always tried to, but it just never seemed to click. You start working on yourself. You start reading self-help books, personal development, Manifestation Accelerator, understanding all these principles. You start to change yourself. You start to be lighter, less judgment, less criticism, more acceptance, more goodness, more gratitude, more finding the good in others. You're starting to really change your energetic being. You start to talk to this person once again, and something seems different. You click better. You're in harmony better. You have better conversations. That person hasn't done anything with their life, though. Okay, they haven't read more books. They haven't developed themselves. They're working at the same job. They're doing the same thing. They have the same attitude. What changed in that scenario? The self changed. The world did not change. That person didn't change. The circumstances didn't change. Nothing changed. I assumed something different about myself, and that's why things shifted in my world. Same thing goes with your money world. Assuming that you are a 7-figure earner, 6-figure earner, 5-figure earner, whatever it is that you're going for, in your imagination will do everything for you. Now we're going to get to how do you assume, but I'm going to share some ideas here you already know in our 5-step manifestation accelerator. All this knowledge is built into our accelerator, whether you're aware of that or not. You see end scenes indicating that you are a wealthy person. You see in a visualization yourself sitting first class or business class. You see yourself going to get a new car, if that's what you desire. You see yourself logging into your bank account, seeing a larger amount in your bank statement, maybe transferring money to savings or whatever it is, investment accounts. I see myself giving money to my family if that's what I want. I see myself having all debts paid off. How do I assume is I see end scenes correlating with the thing I want. So you see prosperous conditions in your imagination. Again, all intertwined in our accelerator.